How to start the plasma air disinfection robot, Penguin. Firstly, turn on the switch button above the chassis. A tick sound indicates that the boot is successful. How to operate the control panel, next. Firstly, turn on the child lock button and unlock the machine. At this point, all keys are operable. Next is the one key disinfection button. After starting, the machine starts the disinfection task. The green button represents the state of the machine being sterilized. In the middle, you can press the child lock button to pause the disinfection. And the disinfection status light keeps flashing. Restart the disinfection work and press the one key disinfection button. Then, the little house button on the lower right side stands for return to charging pile. After starting the button, the machine returns to the charging pile. After the charging is successful, the green indicator light flashes. Next, on the right side is the manual disinfection button. After starting, the machine starts the disinfection task. The middle fan position represents the air volume gear, representing first gear, second gear, third gear. The small hand icon on the right represents the manual control mode button. After starting, you can manually push the machine to sterilize the area freely.